Hello my friends, welcome to my channel and I hope you're all fine. In today's video we are going to make an outstanding experiment, but it's going to be a little bit dangerous. So if you are going to try this experiment at home, please take care of yourself and take all necessary precautions. Wear your protective materials like glasses and the other protective materials, my friends. In today's video I am going to put a lithium polymer battery into this vacuum chamber. This is my homemade vacuum chamber. I'm going to just put this lithium polymer battery into this vacuum chamber and vacuum it. So we are going to observe the behavior of the battery under the vacuum. Is it going to explode or not? We are going to see. So this experiment is going to be a little bit dangerous. Before get start to our video and before I put the lithium polymer battery into the vacuum chamber, in order to show you the power of this vacuum chamber, I'm going to put a few materials into the vacuum chamber and show you the power of this vacuum chamber. So as it is a dangerous experiment, I'm going to take on my glasses during the whole video. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to put a balloon and some materials into vacuum chamber. So let's start, my friends. And lastly, we are going to put our lithium polymer battery in it and show the result, see the results, my friends. First of all, I am going to put a balloon into the vacuum chamber and turn it on. Now I am going to let the air get in the chamber. Now I am going to put some Haribo marshmallow into the vacuum chamber. And again, turn it on. Okay. Wow. Now, my friends, I'm going to put my battery into the vacuum chamber. While doing this, please be very, very careful. Okay, now just turn it on. Wow, I thought it was explode. Okay, I think that's enough. I don't want to go further too much. Can you see the battery, how it swell? No, see? It almost maybe explode. It's swelling very badly. Can you see that, my friend? So I'm just again let the air inside it and look at the battery again, just like this. I'm going to show you in this way. So the battery get normal again. Can you see battery? It's not explode, but still it's very dangerous to make these experiments. Okay, my friends, we get the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. See you in the next videos, my friends.